This is Andrew Stotts of A Stotts Investment Research to talk about world-class benchmarking and the company PT Telekomunikasi. I'm going to call it PT Telecom. So this company, we can look at the background. PT Telecom is a state-owned telecommunications company providing fixed phone, mobile communication, internet, data services, as well as interconnection services. The company's clients range from individuals to mid-size and large corporations, and it provides services to more than 210 million clients in Indonesia. The ticker code is TLKM. The size of the company is about $30 billion US with $26 million in average daily turnover. So let's go through and look a little bit about what's going on. PT Telecom is 53% owned by the Indonesian government and has a near monopoly in fixed line phone services domestically. The company operates primarily in mobile, fixed, and interconnection services. Its data and internet services provided are both mobile and fixed. These include services sold under the IndiHome brand, which was previously called Speedy, which offers an optical fiber network and Wi-Fi. Broadband download speeds plans range from 384 kbps to 100 megabits per second, and subscriber numbers grew 38% in 2015 to more than 45 million. So broadband is huge for them and growing fast, just like in most other countries in Asia. Now, the cellular voice services are provided by Telkomsel, which is 65% owned by PT Telecom. And Telkomsel is the largest Indonesian mobile operator and sets its service pricing depending on the region. The most popular types of phones sold with service through PT Telecom's distribution channels are cheap units that cost less than $100 US. Interconnection services are offered in the form of agreements enabling other telecommunication companies to use PT Telecom's network. Let's look at revenue breakdown, and we can see that data, internet, and IT services is 47%, cellular is 36%, fixed line, like most other places, is pretty small at 8%, and interconnection and others is 9%. Now, we're looking at this company because of its profitable growth ranking, so let's take a look there, and we can see that this company's profitable growth has improved to number 2 in the past 12 months. And it's been in 2 to 3 range for the last 5 years. Fantastic performance. This means that PT Telecom ranks better than 112 of 140 large telecom companies globally. And if we look at where that's coming from, mainly it's driven by a particularly strong profit margin where they rank number 2 relative to 140 large telecom companies worldwide. The growth that they're experiencing is about average. So what we can see here is if profitability is strong and growth is average, the company can still produce pretty good performance. Now, to continue on and understand where these profitability and growth measures came from, profitability came from a improving and strong profit margin, which is ranked 2 relative to all of its global peers. And in the case of growth, it's mainly coming from sales growth. In fact, margin change has been a negative, or let's say ranked at 7, meaning other companies that I'm comparing them against have been moving their margin at a faster pace, have been improving their margins. So if this company wanted to improve its profitable growth rankings, this margin change and improvement in margin would be an area to focus. So do you want to see the profitable growth rank for a company in your portfolio? Well, leave a comment below with the company name and country listing, and I'll post it if I have it.